Hi Veda.
Hi,
So, where are you from?
Mumbai.
You're from Mumbai. So, how do you like Hyderabad?
I love Hyderabad.
You love Hyderabad? What did you see in Hyderabad?
Many things. It was the same like Mumbai.
Okay.
Yeah, but the people's all was saying another language like Telugu.
Other language,
Telugu.
Telugu. But you have done a Telugu movie.
Yeah.
So, how do you feel? How did you talk in Telugu? How did you dub for it?
I didn't dubbed it.
Okay.
They told me the script
Okay.
and I have to and I I learned till 10 minutes from
Okay.
in 10 minutes I learned.
Wow, you're a quick
And
learner
then I say when sometimes it's very hard.
Mhm.
So they say then after that I
You
repeat.
repeat and learn.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me something, a little things about your movie, Daku Maharaj?
Yeah. So I love this movie
Okay.
and all the scenes which I did it. The difficult part was they throw me with a rope, but it was the rope. They
Okay.
didn't throw me really
Okay.
with villain threw me, and it was a very difficult part.
Okay.
And that time I ate full food, and then they just did like this. Cause
Oh my god.
tight, they would like this.
Okay.
Mama, I'm hurting. Mama, I'm hurting like that.
Okay.
So I love the shoot, and thanks to director sir
Okay.
to take me in this movie. Who cast for me? His name is Gangadhar Ji.
Okay.
They only cast. Thanks for Gangadhar Ji. He only cast me,
Okay.
and I love this movie, and yeah.
Okay. In the whole movie, what is the favorite scene of yours?
When some peoples are coming to kill me, then I go inside, then I come back like this,
Okay.
and then Tashan be like this. Then Balakrishna ji comes with a Maggie packet.
Oh,
So people say, what? Maggie packet? So with Maggie packet only he ate it.
he hit
And
everybody.
from that Maggie packet only he made the Maggie.
And you eat it
Yeah.
in the movie? Do you like Maggie?
Yeah, I love Maggie.
So now you're doing these, you have done this Telugu movie. Did you do any other movies before this?
Yeah, I did many movies.
Okay.
I did one more Telugu movie also. His name is Gandev Dhari Arjuna.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're there in that movie also?
Yeah.
Okay.
So from that I got this movie.
Okay.
Yeah. So after this I was doing another movie also, Jat. It's in Hindi.
Okay.
In this movie, Daku was Bobby Deol. In
Deol.
Jat movie, Sunny Deol. So it was a coincidence. So I told to Sunny Deol ji ki I just recently did. So he'll say, "Haan, I will tell to Bobby."
Okay.
Like that. So it was like coincidence. Two brothers I did
Yeah,
with.
yeah. So you did with Varun Tej sir also?
Varun Tej.
Okay. So then how do you manage your schooling and the movies?
They know I am the actor.
Okay.
So when I go for acting, my teachers say best of luck
Oh.
because they know I am the actor, and principal also knows.
Okay.
All who celebrity kids are there, no, they say you can go.
Okay, you can go. Then
And
how do you?
and if all people means some people go in their villages. Hey, why did you go?
So they don't tell anything to
I
you.
gave you permission
Huh.
like that, but
For you, they
for
give
celebrity
permission.
kids
They give
give the
permission.
permission.
Okay, then how do you
But
cope
my
up?
mom mailed it first.
Okay.
Okay, we are going.
So how do you cope up with your studies? Do you have after?
They gave us an app. All kids they gave. Who is absent,
They will
then
get the
they can do in tab that
okay that
means
activity they can do.
if we are wrong in that, so it shows ki or what's your score, and that also shows ki who is who is front and who is back.
Okay.
So my one friend, she was front. So in night I was playing. Then my dad says, "So रहो ना, means sleep no."
Huh.
So I said, "No, Dada, मेरे को इसके आगे बढ़ना है."
Oh.
So when I came, Mama, let's sleep now. I'm
Okay.
taking.
So you
because
finish your studies
she
also.
was my best friend and she was like, why she not good? Then I just
Veda is
playing
top in
with it.
everything, right?
Yeah, it's we from that we get knowledge also.
Yeah.
From that there is physical studies also, maths also,
Okay.
and all.
Okay. So after school, do you go for some activities? Like I heard you're a great singer. Can you sing a
Yeah.
song for us?
Yeah, I love this song. Its name is हाल. It's Hindi.
Okay. Yeah.
हाल कैसा है जनाब का, क्या ख्याल है आपका, तुम तो मचल गई ओ ओ, ये तो फिसल गई आ युडलाई युडलाई युडलाई.
Wonderful.
बहकी हाँ बहकी हाँ, चले पवन जो तो उड़े तेरा आंचल छोड़ो, अरे छोड़ो. देखो देखो गोरे गोरे काले काले बाद, कभी कुछ कहती है कभी कुछ कहती है, जरा नजर को संभालना, हाल कैसा है जनाब का, क्या ख्याल है आपका, तो ये तो तुम तो मचल गई ओ ओ, ये तो फिसल गई आ.
Very nice. Very nice. Your dad teaches you?
Yeah, my dad is a classical singer.
Yeah.
So when I was small, he used to go in schools and do it, but then he don't have time spend with my mom and me. So he decided to do it online.
Yeah.
So
I
now
saw
he
that.
don't teach small kids, big
So
kids.
you have this online Gurukul something, right?
Gurukul, Joy 365
Yeah,
Gurukul.
okay.
So my dad is a very classical singer. So I used to do. He was when I was small. He teaches me sa re ga ma pa da ni sa.
Okay.
So when I was 3 years old, we did on stage with my dad a song.
You
And that
sang when
was-
you were 3 years
yeah,
old?
yeah.
Very nice.
It was Dil Hai Chota Sa, when it was very viral.
Oh.
Yeah, so now my brother is born. So when my dad sings, he do sa re ga ma pa da.
You have a brother?
Real, yeah. He's 2 years old. His name is Vardhan.
Okay.
My nickname is Vedu, so he called me Du.
Do.
Her caretaker's name is Nikita, so he called Ta.
Ta.
Yeah. And if he wants something, so Mama Dan.
Dan?
His
Oh.
name is Vardhan.
Dan. So
Vardhan.
Dan. So uses all last words to speak.
Yeah. He's very cute.
Very cute. Why did you not bring him here?
Um,
Is he very small?
because he runs here,
Here and
there.
there. Oh.
And if my mom and me, so it's alone.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. But my brother misses me a lot because again we go for shoots.
Shootings, yeah.
So that also.
You miss your brother
he
too?
miss my brother. Well, we came here our way. He said, "Ki Vardu, you see TV? I'm going washroom," and we go.
Oh.
And he didn't notice also.
Okay.
Then
So
I
you
don't know
tricked
what
him and
happened.
came here.
Yeah, but we have to. So, no, mama, like this. He was so sad. That we have to make something urgent and go.
Are you taking any gift for him from here? From Hyderabad. You should take a souvenir for him.
Yeah. So today we go on director's lunch to his house.
Mm-hmm.
Her daughter's name is Vaishnavi, and this movie also he named me Vaishnavi.
Oh, your
So
name
we
was
go on
Vaishnavi.
in his home for lunch.
Mm-hmm.
And they gave me a teddy, and for my brother also teddy.
Okay.
And it's a so beautiful family, and I love playing with Vaishnavi.
Okay.
Yeah, so she was very cute.
Very cute.
She was 6 years old, but she looked like in my height also.
Oh.
So I love their family. When we were going for the interview, so no, Mama, I don't want to go. Mama, I don't want to go, because I was so like I want to play now. Again, I want to play. Just 1 minute, 2 minutes, but you have to come for interviews and all. So okay, Mama, let's go.
Let's go. So, How was your journey with Balakrishna sir?
It was beautiful, fantastic.
So
Yeah, in real also I call him Nanaji. In movie also I call
call
him
him
Nanaji.
Nanaji. Okay.
But in starting I call him driver. And one shot is there. It's very funny.
Okay.
So when he came. So when he say, I said, let's take a real test.
Hmm.
And then he say, fasten your seatbelt. No, it's my choice. I'm not. Then when villain catch me, and then he saved me, fasten your seatbelt. So okay, like this. Yeah, and I love for in starting he gave me Maggie packet. Yeah.
No.
And then after when he feed, yummy.
Yummy.
It is
You
so
have Maggie
funny.
in the sets.
Yeah. And
Okay.
I ate it in real also, Maggie. It was
Okay.
tasty.
It was tasty. Who cooked it?
I don't
Balakrishna
know.
sir only.
I never know.
No. So, can you tell us a dialogue from the movie?
Yeah, two.
Okay, two.
ఇక్కడ king of jungle amma, and another is నువ్వు పక్కన జియాని పట్టుకుంటే నేను రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇవ్వాలా.
Ah.
And that something.
Nice. You speak good Telugu also. Now you learn Telugu. Also.
కూర్చో
Kucho.
And one more dialogue also, Gandudari Arjuna's dialogue is, మరి నువ్వు చూస్తే చాలా యంగ్ ఉన్నావు, మరి తాతాని బ్యాడ్ పీపుల్ నుంచి ఎట్లా ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తావు.
Oh, okay. Now I remember. Yeah.
You saw that movie?
Yeah, I saw the movie. I like that movie.
Yeah.
So, can you tell me how was your experience with the co-stars like Urvashi ma'am, Pragya
With
ma'am?
Pragya ma'am and Dev, I didn't did a scene with them because it was not with me, but with Urvashi Didi it was so nice.
Okay.
She was so like, she was very friendly with kids.
Okay.
So one scene was there in song,
Hmm.
their song Chinni sir. So I go with a cycle and I hit her, and then I say Nanaji, and they're like, like Urvashi Didi. And then I'm going to school. I say stop, and then in river I'm tearing the pages. So he's like, what are you doing? Shh, go.
No.
And then I paid. Then he rose. Then Sachinji and Chandni ji. What? Then I say again. And then Sachinji.
So you blame
Like that,
Nanaji
it
for
was-
everything in the movie.
Yeah. When I do something bad, Nanaji.
Nanaji.
I
Nice.
blamed him and like, oh. Like this in short. It was so nice.
Okay. So now this movie is over. Are you doing any other movies?
Yeah.
Okay. You
So
have.
this fight master, he told me one movie came for you can do. So in that movie also, in this movie, Daku Maharaj, make cute. In that movie, make dull, because they're in village like that.
Okay.
So make dull. In this, make cute.
You're very cute actually. So you're doing it in Telugu or some other?
No,
language?
it's Hindi.
It's Hindi movie. Okay. You're doing anything in Telugu right now?
No.
Okay.
not
We
now.
would love to see you again, on the
Yeah.
screen. So I heard you doing a movie with Gopichand Malneni sir. So it's in Hindi.
Yeah.
Can you tell me something about that?
In that movie, like I'm in village, and then it's a Hindi actor. His name is Ranti Butta. So he's a villain. He comes and takes all our earth zami. So he takes. Then I wrote a president letter.
Okay.
So and I gave to president, and I said, please come and save us.
Okay.
So in confidence, and then they say, sit down, all the villagers like this, and I'm like this, and then one soldier come and just take me like this and take to Randi Buddha, and he say, take write for me also letter. I will kill to all people like that. So I'm very scared, and then blast happens, and then people are running, villagers running. Then Sunny Deol enters,
So Sunny
and
Deol sir
then
is the hero in that.
then he saves, and they say when he's going, he helps me and go in helicopter, and that is the last. Now I will do 10 days in Hyderabad, village scenes and all in Hyderabad. Not now, afterwards.
Afterwards, you're
10
coming back
days.
to Hyderabad again.
Yeah, again.
Again. But you said you
I
love
gone in
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad 10 times.
Okay.
For Daku Maharaj, I came 4 times, and for now 5 times, and now from that 6 times, and when I come for seeing just 7 times, 8 times, then 8 times I came.
8 times you came.
And now I'm bored of seeing same road.
No, next
And
time you should.
when we come now in Hyderabad, we stayed in Jubilee Ridge Hotel,
Okay.
and that food was so fantastic. So now when we come in Hyderabad, we stay here
Okay,
in
you
that
like the
hotel
food?
also.
You like the food? Did you try biryani?
Yeah,
You had it? You liked it?
yeah.
Okay. So, what's your favorite food?
Mm, rice and dal.
Rice and dal. Ghar ka.
I
Ghar ka
love
khana.
it.
Okay.
And when my mom says roti kha, and I say no, and she says okay, मैं खिलाती हूँ, and she was excited. And then my mom says, see, 2 roti you eat. मैं तो when?
कब खाया मैंने?
My mom is a fantastic cook.
Oh.
When I was small, she used to work in Zomato.
Mm-hmm.
But I love my mom.
You love your mom.
So yeah, in this Daku Maharaj movie, I learned many things. Save water,
Save water.
and many things I learned, and I love all the scenes. And director Bobby also. Thanks to director Bobby sir. He gave me a lot of love, and Sachin ji, Makaran ji and all.
Okay.
So I enjoyed a lot in this movie, and this was the best movie ever I did it.
Very nice. That's very nice.
Yeah.
So, Veda, thank you so much for coming here, and we wish you all the best for all your future projects. We would love to see you on screen again for Telugu audience.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Subscribe, like, share Max TV.